We begin tonight with breaking news. Alabama is the latest southern state to have its ban on gay marriage struck down by a federal judge. Good evening. I'm Trent Butler.
I'm Sherry Jackson. U.S. District Judge Callie Granat ruled today in favor of two Mobile women who sued after Alabama refused to recognize their marriage, which was performed in California.
WIAT 42 News reporter Natalie Tejeda joins us now with reaction to that announcement. Natalie.
Well, Trent and Sherry, it's taken about a year to get a decision on today's lawsuit. And although we've only had that decision for a few hours, dozens of opinions, both pro and con, are coming in.
I'm pretty ecstatic. I didn't think I'd ever see this in my lifetime.
For the past few hours, State Representative Patricia Todd's cell phone has been ringing nonstop. This since a federal judge ruled that both our state's Sanctity of Marriage Amendment and the Alabama Marriage Protection Act were unconstitutional.
Marriage is a civil contract, and I think that's what people fail to understand. We want the same right to have a legal contract with a person we love as anybody else. And that right is that we're going to share property. If we get divorced, we're going to, divide properly equally. I have a right to make decisions about your health care. We don't want any more or less than any other married couple has.
This is just the first of several same-sex marriage cases to be decided, but already the state is firing back. In a statement today released from Attorney General Luther Strange's office, it said, quote, "We are disappointed and reviewing the federal district court's decision. We expect to ask for a stay of the court's judgment pending the outcome of the U.S. Supreme Court's ruling, which will ultimately decide this case." Governor Robert Bentley's office is also weighing in. Their statement reads, quote, "The people of Alabama voted in a constitutional amendment to define marriage between a man and a woman. The governor is disappointed with the ruling today, and we will review the decision to decide the next steps."
The federal judge says some of the deciding factors in her ruling is that she believes our state's two acts violate the equal protection as well as due process clauses of the Constitution's 14th Amendment. We've also learned that Attorney General Luther Strange has indeed filed a stay of judgment. Reporting live in the studio, Natalie Tejeda, WIAT 42 News, coverage you can count on.